Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you some great ideas for favors that you can create for your wedding, bridal shower, baby shower, birthday party, or bachelorette party. A lot of times, favors are something that guests don't really care about, or they end up not using. So if you're going to put the time and money into creating favors for your guests, be sure it's something that they will enjoy or use. I will be showing you a list of 8 favor ideas in this video, so stick around to see them all. All the items I'm showing you will use my designs to accompany the product, and I will include links to all the products that I use in the comment section below. The first item I want to show you is how to create these great favors using the EOS Lip Balm. These are great for baby showers, bridal showers, and bachelorette parties. The EOS Lip Balm comes in a variety of colors and flavors, so you can choose the colors that work best for your event. The first thing you want to do is choose a design from our website or from our Etsy page. Once you have purchased a design that works for you, you can easily download the file and edit in Adobe Acrobat Reader. When you open the file in Adobe Reader, you can easily edit the blue highlighted sections. You can type in the name and event, then save your file and print. These print great on 110-pound white matte cardstock. Then you can easily trim using the crop marks provided. When trimming, I prefer to use an X-Acto knife, but scissors will work great too. You will also need to purchase a 1.5-inch circle punch so that you can create an area for the EOS Lip Balm to fit. Once you have your cards cut, you can flip your hole punch upside down so you can easily line up the circle. When you have all of your cards ready to go, you can open the lip balm and insert through the hole, then take the lid and close it on top. The next item is my personal favorite, the Let Love Grow tags with miniature succulents. I decided to put these in a teacup, which is just an added touch, but you can use terracotta pots or even cute little plastic pots that come in a variety of colors. I even found cute little metal buckets that you could use, and I'll include the link to them in the comment section below. If you want to try to find teacups on your own, you can try looking at some secondhand stores or even find some on Facebook Marketplace. Once you have purchased the Let Love Grow tags from our Etsy shop or website, you can easily follow the included instructions to edit, print, and trim the tags. I decided to use a 4-inch bamboo stick to adhere to the back of the tag. I just simply tape the stick onto the back. Then you can easily place this right into the dirt. Another option for these would be to use them as seating cards, so your guests can easily find their seats. Or you could place one at each place setting for smaller events. Another great item that's inexpensive and really up to your creativity is a snack bag or jar. These are super easy, and you can either pre-fill these or have your guests fill them at your event. We have a bunch of great 2-inch and 1.5-inch printable favor stickers that you can use in a variety of ways. We have a bunch of great designs that are available, and these are easy to edit and print. And you can either print these onto a full sheet of sticker paper or use a circle punch to create the sticker. Or for the 2-inch circles, you can print them on a sheet of Avery 22817 circle sticker template. I'm using a variety of options just to show you the versatility of the stickers. I have links below for the brown paper sandwich bags, small mason jars, and the little gift bags. For the mason jars, you could sit out larger jars of candy and have your guests fill the smaller jars with the treats of their choice. Or you could have them pre-filled so guests can just grab and go. Other options are bags filled with your favorite coffee beans, maybe some trail mix, or maybe some s'mores. Anything that goes with your theme is great, and these stickers will work perfectly with any item. My mini champagne labels are perfect for brunch and bubbly, a bridal shower, or a bachelorette party. Basically, any event you know your guests will enjoy sipping on some champagne when they arrive home. I chose to remove the original label from the bottle, and I did this by soaking this in room temperature water with a little bit of baking soda for about 30 to 40 minutes. I designed these to be used with the Avery 6873 labels, or you can print these to a full sheet of sticker paper, then trim to size. These are easily personalized in Adobe Reader, then all you have to do is print, peel, and stick. Tie a little ribbon on these or add a fun straw for easy sipping. Next is a great favor for a bachelorette party, the Hangover Kit or Survival Kit. These again require some creativity on your end of what you would like to include. You can include personalized items or just some functional items like Advil, mouthwash, gum, candies, maybe even some mini alcohol bottles to get the party started. So favors don't have to be saved for the end of your event. You can give your guests a favor at the beginning. Here's a great idea for a welcome bag using our editable, printable welcome tags. You can purchase one of our lovely welcome tags from our Etsy shop or website, then easily edit in Adobe Reader, print, and trim. I like to use an X-Acto knife when trimming, but scissors will work great too. You can either use a hole punch so you can thread the tag with some twine or ribbon, or simply staple to the bag for a quick and easy solution. Fill any bag with some snacks, treats, or overnight essentials, then easily tie the lovely tags right to the bag. Place next to some personalized water bottles, and you're set. Your guests will love this extra touch to making your event memorable, and they will really appreciate those late night snacks after a fun night of partying. Another favorite trend that I'm loving is giving out your favorite coffee beans or loose tea. You can find some nice rustic bags or just a nice clear plastic bag for the coffee beans. These favors would be great for a wedding or even a bridal tea. For the tea, I found these great lined tea pouches that you can simply adhere a sticker to. Or if it's a pretty loose leaf tea, maybe display it in one of the small mason jars. Obviously, you can jazz this up with twine or ribbon, but my stickers will work great on any of these options. The last idea is one that is probably the most useful way to spend your favorite budget, and one that may be tax deductible. This is mostly used for weddings, but really can be done for any event, big or small. This would be the gracious and meaningful action of making a charitable donation to a cause that's important to you or your soon-to-be spouse. After you make your donation to the charity of your choice, you can simply choose one of our lovely thank you place cards, which you can edit to explain your philanthropic efforts. Your guests will appreciate your effort of giving back even on your special day. Thank you for watching our video on favor ideas. I hope this inspired some ideas for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate your support. Again, all of these items are available on our website, creativeuniondesign.com, or in our Etsy shop. Thank you for watching and have fun designing.